Today, get ready for some magic as I'm about to unveil the secret behind a viral image illusion, and the best part is, you can do it for free. Trust me, it's as easy as making your Monday morning coffee. So, let's dive right in. Now, let me break down every feature of this fantastic software. To upload your image, just click on this button right here, and down below, you'll find the illusion strength setting. The lower the number, the more challenging it is to see the illusion. For a sweet spot, I recommend setting it at 1.17. Now, in the prompt box, you can put whatever you want to appear in the image. For example, medieval village scene with a busy street and a castle in the distance. Once you've fine-tuned everything to your liking, simply hit that run button. Sit back and watch as Hugging Face weaves its digital sorcery, conjuring up your very own customized image. It's truly that simple that with a few clicks and a touch of magic, your custom creation is ready to shine. And there you have it, folks. Creating viral image illusions doesn't get any easier than this. Best of all, it won't cost you a penny. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to see on the channel.